Guys, welcome back to my IGTV. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna post this, but if you see it, then God is good, you know. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get your nails done, you know, and not just any type of nails. No, it's not stick on. This is acrylic nails with gel polish and designs done. You're gonna get it done in 5 minutes, and this is my trick. And I'm sure a lot of people are doing this right now because, like, you know, Corona is really making a lot of us look like werewolves at home because everybody has claws now, and you know, I'm looking really, it's terrible. So I had to find a way not to get to the salon or allow people coming to my home because of the virus. And when I found this, I was like, yo, I need to let you guys know how to fix your nails in 5 minutes. Acrylic nails in 5 minutes. If this is your first time on my channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on this video if it helps you, and then let's get down to the video. Okay, so guys, these nails are from Pressed Nails by Ify, and what she does is that she sells acrylic, can you see this, guys? Acrylic stick-on nails. These are already made nails, like normal acrylic nails with gel polish and designs already made, and all you have to do is stick them on these babies. There's this sticky thing, I don't know what it's called, but there's this sticky thing that comes with it. You can put this on your nails and fix it. I'm going to do it on one hand, or you could use a nail glue as well, whatever you want. They're very affordable and they're very advisable to get this period because no salon is obviously working, or it's not safe to be in a salon right now, and making someone come to your house is also not safe. So I would advise you to get these stick-on babies. What I'm going to be teaching you is
Alright guys, so this is how my nails are right now, and I'm going to get down to fixing. This is how the package came, and I really like how it was neatly packaged, and there was a box inside that had the nails. She sent me 2 sets actually, and they fit my 10 fingers and it's very easy for you to store. So when you take it out, you just put it back into the case, and you can see it's filed. It fits my nail bed. Usually when you order, she asks you if your nail bed is big, small, medium, but yeah, this is the nail glue she sent. She also sent me a file, and this is the sticky thing I'm going to use to apply the nails to my hand. This is an alcohol pad that serves like a nail cleaner or something, like what they used to clean nail polish out of your nails. And I have my nails clean. So next up, I'm going to take the file and file my nails just so that the nail can fit perfectly into my nail bed. I don't want to over file it, so I'm doing it very gently. Then I'm sticking the sticky thing. You would notice that they come by sizes. The biggest one obviously goes on your thumb. So when you put it, once you put it, you want to take the external thing out of it. There's another nylon on top, and you place the nail right on the sticky thing, and it glues immediately. It's going to be hard for it to come off except you use force to take it out, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that on the remaining 4 fingernails. Like I said, it is arranged according to sizes. The first one goes on the thumb, the second one goes on the next finger after the thumb, obviously, and like that up until the pinky finger. And yeah, I'm just fixing that on all my nails. So yeah, let's enjoy. These nails can come in short lengths, long lengths, and yeah, whatever sizes you want. But basically, this is how the nails are. You can see that they don't even look like I just fixed it in 5 minutes. So easy, anybody can do this. So yeah, get yourself a nail pressed nail from Fifi before I go and bite my tongue.
The woman of my dreams, already in you, I find my happiness. The woman of my dreams.
Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. Can you see my nail? What just came off? These nails are easy to fix. This is acrylic nails already done in 5 minutes. I mean, you don't have to spend so much time, and the good thing is that it's easy to come off. I'm going to take them off right here on the camera, but I just wanted to let you guys know that these nails are made by Pressed Nails by Ify. They're very affordable, and she's based in Lagos, but she delivers worldwide. So if you want to get these babies during this quarantine so you can spice up, you could order and get your nails fixed by yourself. You don't need to stress yourself, you don't need to file anything. It comes already perfect. All you need to do is just attach it to your nails. Yes, and if you're the kind of person that you don't like having nails for a long time, or your nails pops up all the time, then you need to use all these adjustable things, right? Because it's just easy. I just stick it on And there I have it, it's back on my nails. But if you're the kind of person that you know that you want this to be on your hand for a long time so you can get used to it, then you can use super glue to hold it down or nail glue to hold it down. But like I said, I don't want to do that because I really want to take it off and be switching nails once in a while and back to the orange, because she sent me 2 nails, so I want to be switching nails once in a while. So I'm going to be using these sticky things a lot. I don't know what they're called, but I'm going to start calling them sticky things. So that's the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, you know, and comment down below if you've ever seen one of these and what you think about them. And yeah, I can't wait to hear your feedback, guys. Please comment down below. I need to hear what you guys think about these babies. And now I'm going to be taking them off. This is like, it's so easy to take off. And when you want to take them off, just take them off easily. Your nails are still, can you see, your nails still look healthy and filed. It doesn't look like you added like super glue or anything. Like, your nails are black. It's normal. And when you take this out, you really want to just place it back into nail case that she gave you, because I noticed that the nail case has kind of like a glue-like thing here. So you just want to arrange it back the same way you fixed it on your nails. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this off camera. But like I said, thanks so much for joining my videos today. I really appreciate you guys. Till next time, bye.
My African